Now, this is very, very large slide of what a neuron looks like. It's a very complicated mechanism. But this shows you how, if you think about this, the neurons will talk to each other. This is a diagram of the structure of the neuron. At the center of this is the nucleus, the center. In the middle of that is something called the mitochondria, which is what, it's an energy powerhouse, and there's a signal usually to release energy within that cell. In these little sacs that are contained here, these little blue sacs here, those are the chemicals called neurotransmitters that are retained. So the cell basically gets a signal from these branchy structures here called dendrites, and they get a signal chemically or electrically through a little space called the synapse. So next to these dendrites would be other axons of other neurons, and then they get to the information, which then passes it along. It's like a relay system from here up to here. So they get the information from here, they send it out, they get it from here and they send it out here to another series of dendrites, and they're all interconnected. What research shows is that these line up like cornrows. So this is how experience actually shapes the structure of the brain, lining up these neurons. And here, this is the terminal, so to speak, down here. These are the fatty cells that go around it. Without the fat, this has a weak signal. So we do need, the brain needs fat. Fathead is not a bad term anymore, okay? It needs good fats, and we'll talk about those when we get to the diet. But this is the myelin sheath that goes around that structure. So the cell body also contains the cell's DNA, which is very important when we get to the cell cycle. And this DNA is what can be damaged by chemotherapy. So in order to save the body, you pay a price.